If you've recorded your screen with Camtasia, you've probably seen files ending in TREC. These are Camtasia recording files, great for editing inside Camtasia. And yes, you can technically play them in VLC too. But if you need to convert TREC to MP4 and don't have Camtasia installed, or you just want a faster way to get an MP4 version of your recording, the easiest method is to use a simple video converter. In today's video, I'll show you how to do it with WonderFox HD Video Converter Factory Pro in just a few clicks. Let's get started. First, open HD Video Converter Factory Pro. You can download it from the official WonderFox website. I'll leave the link in the description. Keep in mind that in the trial version, you can convert up to 5 minutes per file. If you prefer a free option, you can also try Free HD Video Converter Factory, which has no time limit but may be slower. I'll share that link as well. Now click on Converter. Drag your TREC file into the program window, or click the Add Files button to browse and load it. The program allows you to import multiple files, so if you got a bunch of files, import all of them here. Next, open the Output Format list on the right. Go to the Video tab and choose MP4. It's the most widely supported format for all devices and editors. Before starting, you can also fine-tune settings like resolution, frame rate, or bitrate under parameter settings. But if you just want a quick conversion, the default preset is perfect. Finally, choose where to save your converted file and click Run. The software will start converting your TREC file to MP4, usually finished within a few minutes, depending on file size. And that's it. Your TREC file is now a standard MP4 that you can play, edit, or share anywhere. No need for Camtasia or any complicated setup. If you'd like to try this yourself, download HD Video Converter Factory Pro from the link below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick video tips like this one.